What is going on, guys? John Paul here for Ready.Set.GO, and welcome back to another tech video. Personally, I have been a fan of the LG wireless Bluetooth headsets for quite a while, starting with the Tone Plus 730, which in my opinion was one of the best wireless Bluetooth headset in terms of both sound quality and connectivity. One setback to this type of design is that it rests around your neck, which some of you might find inconvenient or maybe uncomfortable. With the ever-growing popularity of Apple AirPods, LG has launched their own line of wireless Bluetooth earbuds, which brings us to the LG TONE Free series. In this video, guys, we will be unboxing and reviewing the LG TONE Free model number HBS-FN4 in black. Before we begin, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for us along with the notification bell so you are always up to date with our content. Now let's get back to the video. These earbuds are regularly priced at $99 at LG's homepage, but I was able to buy them online at a discounted price of $79.88 on samsclub.com. Starting off with the packaging, we can see that the earphones come in a small compact white tone box all around. At the front, we have the Tone Free logo along with an image of the earbuds and the Meridian logo at the bottom corner. Meridian is the latest audio company that has partnered with LG for this line of earbuds, as well as their line of portable Bluetooth speakers. We have already seen other audio companies partner with LG in the past, such as JBL and Harman Kardon. On the back, you have an image of the earbuds mounted inside its wireless charging case. Package also lists its content, which includes the Tone Free earbuds, its charging case, a USB Type-C charging cable, extra ear gels, warranty card, and a user manual. On its side, we have the model number listed along with its main features such as Meridian Advanced Audio Technology, clear voice call quality with dual microphones, fast 5-minute charge for 60-minute playing time, IPX4 water and sweat resistance, and 6-hour playtime for the earbuds. On the top, you have the LG label of authenticity. Overall, the packaging presentation is quite elegant as well. Upon unboxing, you will find the rounded charging case with the Tone logo centered on the top. The soft rubberized finish can easily collect fingerprint markings and dust. On the back of the case, you will find a USB Type-C port. Once we flip open the case, you will find the earbuds resting inside along with the LG logo embedded at the top and the Meridian logo printed at the bottom of the case. The product presentation overall is very premium. Aside from the earbuds, you will find the 4 extra ear gel pieces along with the USB charging cable and manual. Once you have removed the earbuds from its case, you will notice the earbuds stay secured inside by being magnetized to the case. Even though they are made out of plastic, they feel very well made and are very light with a weight of only 0.19 ounces per earbud. In terms of size, the earbuds measure in at 0.63 inches wide with a height of 1.29 inches and a depth of 0.98 inches. The dimensions of the charging case check in at a width and height of 2.15 inches and a depth of 1.08 inches. The case has an overall weight of 1.38 ounces, making it very light and convenient to store and carry around. Prior to your first use, you will need to mount the earbuds inside the case and connect to a power source for the initial pairing. Making sure that the Bluetooth function is active on your device, go ahead and flip open the case and press the pairing button on the side for 3 seconds until you see the blue indicator light starts to blink. In my case, the phone automatically detected the earbuds and prompted a pairing request. Just a few moments after the earbuds paired, the phone automatically looked up the LG TONE Free app and had it ready to download. Once it finished downloading, it went through some software updates before finally opening the app. The app offers several useful features, which include 4 preset EQ settings by Meridian. These 4 EQ settings include Immersive, which creates an enhanced bass effect, Bass Boost, produces punchier bass, Natural, which gives you a more balanced sound, and finally Treble Boost, for clear vocals. The app also provides the option of creating up to 2 custom EQ presets. Another cool feature is called Ambient Sound. When turned on, this noise cancellation feature helps you modulate the ambient noise that's around you. According to LG, this is achieved by a mic that's located at the top of each earbud. In addition, there's a mic located at the bottom of each earbud assigned to pick up your voice and give it more clarity. If you need to go through the instructions manual for any reason, you can access it at any time through the Tone Free app. Using the Tone Free earbuds is pretty much straightforward. Touch either earbud on its side to answer or end calls. To reject a call, touch and hold the side of either earbud. To play or pause, touch either earbud once on its side. Touch the left side of your earbud twice to increase volume or on your right to lower the volume. The LED light on the front of the case will indicate the battery status for the earbuds. Blue means it has a charge of 80% or more. Violet indicates it has a charge of 20 to 80%. And finally, red indicates a charge of less than 20%. Additional features include volume adjustment and an option to have your incoming notifications read to you, which can come in handy especially while driving. To prevent any accidental ended calls or skips and pauses, the app offers an option to lock the touchpad on your earbuds when not in use. In addition to customizing some of these settings, LG has even included an option to find your earbuds as long as they are within range. I began testing the earbuds call clarity and made some calls. The people I spoke with sounded loud and clear, and they told me that they could hear me well without any problems, which for me is one of the most important aspects of using any wireless Bluetooth headset or earbuds. In terms of sound quality, the music sounded good, but not great. Audio seems to be tuned to overemphasize the high notes, and as a result, the bass is not as potent as what you would get from other wireless Bluetooth earphones, such as the Apple Powerbeats, for example. I did try all 4 Meridian EQ presets and ended up creating my own custom EQ preset, which did improve the sound quality just a bit. But still, be warned and temper down your expectations. Another problem that I encountered was the presence of some slight interference heard in the background. This is something that I never encountered while using the around-the-neck LG headsets. One area the FN4 did shine in is its Bluetooth connectivity. Connection range for the HBS-FN4 was pretty good overall. I was able to walk around my house going to different rooms and didn't experience any connection drops. Another plus for the FN4 is the seal the ear gels create in your ear, which is very effective in muting whatever ambient noise you might have in the background. I did test the ambient sound feature on the app, but wasn't really able to notice any major difference as the earbuds already do a decent job of canceling the noise. Having an IPX4 rating allows for the earbuds to receive light rain from any direction, but they can't be submerged. One thing LG's website indicates is that this IPX4 rating only applies to the earbuds and not the charging case, though its small and compact size should make it easier to keep it from getting wet. Overall, I give the LG TONE Free HBS-FN4 earbuds 3 stars out of 5. At their regular price of $100, I think the earbuds are a bit overpriced, but they do check most of the boxes and what you expect from a pair of wireless earbuds. They're light in weight, fit comfortably in your ears, have great call clarity, and decent sound quality. Additional features such as the 5-minute quick charge, the IPX4 rating, and all the extras you get through the app makes the LG TONE Free HBS-FN4 worthy of consideration for those in search of a pair of quality earbuds. So guys, that will be all for this video. Please don't forget to smash that like button as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm and how much this video gets spread out to other people as well. This is JP for Ready.Set.GO. Stay safe and I will see you guys in the next one.